Hello students of class 9th, I am Prabha. In my previous video of the story of village Palampur part 4, I had discussed about importance of electricity in farming, importance of increased irrigated agricultural land, farm laborers and condition of farm laborers. In this video, part 5 of the story of village Palampur, I am going to explain about the capital needed for farming, condition of marginal and small farmers, sale of surplus farm products and usage of saving from farming. Let me explain one by one. My first topic is the capital needed for farming. Students, in earlier topics, we have already seen that the modern farming method require a huge amount of capital. So, all types of farmers, marginal, small, medium and large, need more capital for farming than before. Marginal and small farmers borrow money as capital from large farmers or the village money lenders or the traders who supply various inputs for farming at a high interest rate. Medium and large farmers have their own saving from farming. They are able to arrange for the capital needed for farming. My next topic is condition of marginal and small farmers. Students, the situation of marginal and small farmers is truly problematic and are as output is low. The land area cultivated by them is small, so the output is also low. Agricultural production is not enough for the survival of their family. Next is take loan at high interest rate. Marginal and small farmers need sufficient capital for farming. For this, they borrow money from large farmers or village money lenders or the traders who supply them agricultural input at a high rate of interest. If irrigation facility is not available to them, then the output is more or less dependent upon rainfall, which is uncertain. Due to less output, they are not in a condition to repay their loan and they work as farm laborers with their family members. Next is suffering from lack of saving. After harvesting, all the farm production is either used for their needs or for repaying the loan amount, and they left with no working capital. They are still in need of money to start agriculture work on their land. For this, they take more loans and always suffering from lack of savings. Students, now you understand how situation of marginal and small farmers are problematic. My next topic is sale of surplus farm product. Student, as we know, farmers produce crops on their land by using the three factors of production: land, labor and capital. Large farmers retain a part of production for their self-consumption and sell the surplus in the market. Large farmers have good earning from sale of surplus farm product. On the other hand, small farmers have little surplus production for selling in the market because their total production is small and for this a substantial share is kept for their own family needs. My next topic is uses of earning from farming. Students, only medium and large farmers can use their earning from farming. They are as: first is earn interest from bank. They had put most of the money in their bank account and earn an interest which is given by the bank. Next is arrange working capital for next season. Medium and large farmers used their earning from farming to arrange for the working capital for farming in the next season. Next is increased fixed capital. They purchased like tractor, harvesters, threshers and increased their fixed capital. Next is arrange capital for non-farm activities. Medium and large farmers arrange the capital for non-farm activities too and expand their sources of income like buy cattle, trucks to set up shops in the villages. And the last use of earning from farming is lending money to small and marginal farmers. Medium and large farmers use their earning for lending to small or marginal farmers at a very high rate of interest. And now you all understand medium and large farmers how use their earning from farmings. Remaining topic of this chapter will continue in next videos. If you have any confusion, you can ask in the comment section of this channel. Please like, share and subscribe for latest updates. Thank you, student.